Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come see this is first. You have to come gigabyte.com. This is officially website. So you can download Gigabyte any devices, drivers and all. So you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. B760M KV DDR4 V2 DDR4. And then click on product and click on the title and click on support. Select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. There are two operating systems support this motherboard. And if you are using Windows 10 and 11, both different. So this is installation process same. Select any because installations process just same. Okay. LAN driver, extract. You just click to download 10 MB and always try to install download latest one. So you can see this is start downloading. So it is completed. After that, open and double click to launch. Then yes. So this is install. Yeah, close automatically means this is install. VGA and graphic card driver and just click to download. You can see this is start downloading. So VGA driver it is downloaded already. You can see this is size 7 and after download just open and double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now this is installed.